Let's turn it up. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop now. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop. Don't stop, won't stop. Let's turn it up.
How you doing, guys? So this is a property we're taking over subject to the existing mortgage. Me and one of my good students, Sherice, she's killing it out here. Let's go inside and take a look at it. So, as you can see, guys, it's mostly paint and carpet. To some people it'll look like a lot, but it's mainly paint and carpet. You know, we gotta do paint, carpet, these kitchen cabinets. You can actually spray these cabinets and put some knobs on them and bring them back. So it's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Then you got the bedrooms. Now, to some people, this look like, you know, not a good deal, but it actually is a good deal. Let me tell you why. The guy only owes $76,000 on the property. It's worth about 110, 120. I'll say repairs anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000. Payments $700 a month. You can rent it out for $1,100. So you got cash flow there. You got equity on the back end, and you get a non-refundable down payment up front. You get paid 3 ways, guys. 3 ways instead of 1. That's the best way to get paid.